Hello and welcome to another episode of Coffee Break Harp. My name is Zuzanna, I am a harpist and harp teacher, and this is my weekly video series for anyone who wants to learn more about playing the harp. In today's episode I'm going to talk about the shoes that you wear, or not, when playing the harp. As always, there is a free PDF with the lesson notes for those of you who prefer to read, and you can download it by following the link in the description of this video below. Now back to the main topic. You might have heard that high heel shoes can help you to manage pedal changes better. But does that mean that you won't be able to play well when wearing flats? And what about lever harp players? Let's look at all this together. In my personal opinion, when playing a lever harp, you will be much better off playing in flats. We have all heard how wearing high heel shoes can have negative effects on your body, and I would say that even though with most harps you will be mostly sitting, the fact that you're wearing low heel shoes or even playing barefoot will mean that your feet can better support the rest of your body. However, if for various reasons you want to wear high heel shoes when playing, for example during a performance, I've got a few tips for you. First, make sure that you practice while wearing what I'll call your concert shoes for at least a week before the concert. Practice playing while wearing them, but also walking, so you're confident later when you have to walk on the stage. Next, check if and how much do you need to adjust the height of your stool. In theory, you would want the bench to go up at least by the height of the heel, but you also want to take into account what it will feel like to hold the harp between your knees with this added height, and then how looking at the strings will change when you put on higher shoes and then adjust the stool. Last but not least, remember about taking regular breaks during your practice sessions, and when you stop playing, remove your high heels so you can give your feet a chance to relax and possibly gently stretch. Okay, now you may wonder, if obviously high heels are not so great, then why harpists who play pedal harps are advised to wear them? The reason behind it is that with a high heel shoe, it may be slightly easier to reach and control the pedals. Adding some more height under your heel shortens the distance between your heel and the pedal, and that allows you to keep your foot on the floor while making the change. This may make it easier for people with shorter feet or whose range of motion in the ankles is somewhat limited and who therefore may find it difficult to flex their feet beyond a certain point. You may notice a difference between how easy it is to control pedals on various instruments. Different harp makes and models may have their pedals arranged slightly differently. Some will have them closer, some will have them further apart, or perhaps there will be a bigger or smaller difference between where your flats, sharps and naturals are. You may discover that your favorite shoes work better on one type of a harp than the other, and that's why it is really important to have some practice time on your concert harp while wearing your concert shoes. Some general advice about shoes. Go for the type of heel that will give you as much stability as possible. So instead of stilettos, I would suggest that you go for a slightly wider heel and a good quality shoe where that heel will be well balanced. Avoid shoes with a pointed toe. They are not great for your feet, and controlling pedals will be harder as the tip of the shoe is more likely to miss a pedal or slide off. What I found works really well for the harp is a pair of dance shoes. And when you buy them in a specialized shop, the trained staff there can even take measurements and make a pair of shoes that will be a perfect fit for your feet, pun intended. To sum up, 1. While flats tend to be kinder to your feet, in some situations you may want to consider shoes with higher heels for better control of pedals. 2. When looking for playing shoes, try to go for good quality ones with a sturdy heel and beware of shoes with a pointed toe. 3. Regardless of what type of shoes you decide to wear, always practice playing in shoes that you intend to have on during a performance. And 4. If you're wearing high heel shoes when playing, remove them when you're taking your break. I hope you found this episode useful. Do let me know in the comments, what shoes do you like to wear or not when playing the harp? I will be looking forward to reading your replies and then to seeing you all here next week. Take care for now. Bye! Take one of introduction, let's see. The